Hi everyone, and welcome to my video on 11 cool gadgets to color up your life. In this video, I'll be showing you some of the latest and greatest gadgets that can add a touch of color to your everyday life. The limited edition Nanoleaf Shapes Ultra Black Triangle Smarter Kit is a set of triangular light panels with a sleek 360 degrees black finish. It comes with all necessary accessories, including black mounting and power components, to create customized statement or accent lighting. The kit features various smart functionalities, such as rhythm music visualizer, screen mirror, touch controls, and scheduling options. Don't miss your chance to own this limited edition masterpiece. Create beautiful mosaic artwork with the DIY kit, featuring 4,800 bricks in 5 colors. The kit includes 9 16 by 16 studs baseplates, a brick remover, and plugs for baseplate connections. The process is easy with the web app. Scan the QR code, upload photos, and follow the assembly instructions. You can rebuild your art multiple times using the same bricks and a new diagram. The stylish constructor suits any interior, and the smooth circular bricks provide a comfortable building experience. Express your creativity and love with this versatile and free-to-use DIY kit. Experience beverage perfection with the VSSL Insulated Flask. This double-walled stainless steel flask keeps drinks hot for 5 hours and cold for 10 hours. It offers versatile carry options with a flip-up carabiner, which also secures the flask with a magnetic closure. The flask features a patented pop-up drinking cap that serves as a carabiner and a leak-proof flask and tumbler cap. Additionally, it boasts an integrated true wireless Speakwa Bluetooth speaker end cap for a 4-hour playtime, weatherproof experience. Built to last with premium-grade aluminum, this flask is rust-resistant and odor-free, ensuring decades of reliable use. Fun water paddleboards offer an ideal choice for water sports, catering to all skill levels for enjoyable exploration and adventure in water areas. The inflatable paddleboards are made from ultralight military-grade double-wall PVC, 35% lighter than similar products, ensuring excellent wear resistance and toughness for a long-lasting service life. The paddleboard's design features an ergonomic handle for easy and quick inflation, while a sensitive barometer displays the SUP inflation pressure value at any time. A multifunctional elastic string keeps objects securely fixed to the board. Additionally, it comes with a shoulder strap for convenient transportation even when inflated. Insta360 is an advanced 4K AI tracking camera designed to elevate your communication experience. It features a 4K resolution with a 1/2-inch sensor for lifelike detail and dynamic range. With its gimbal design and powerful AI tracking algorithm, it follows your movements effortlessly, automatically zooming and framing to keep you at the center of attention. Controlling the camera is a breeze with intuitive gesture controls, and it offers versatile modes like whiteboard mode, desk view mode, overhead mode, and portrait mode, making it fully compatible with popular communication platforms. Dual noise-canceling microphones ensure crystal clear audio, and the dedicated desktop software allows precise adjustments for the perfect shot. Upgrade your communication game with Insta360, the ultimate 4K AI tracking camera that brings professional quality visuals and seamless tracking to your meetings and presentations. Pixoo-64 is a 10.3-inch Wi-Fi pixel art display frame by Divoom, featuring a 64 by 64 LED panel. It can be used as a pixel clock and can display real-time online information such as streaming channel followers, game KDA results, and Twitch streaming info. The Divoom app allows users to create their own pixel art, animations, and scrolling text messages and offers a vast gallery and community for downloading and sharing creations. Pixoo-64 also functions as a social media tracker for monitoring streaming account performance and game results. It serves as both a lighting decoration and a customizable display, perfect for home decor, shop decorations, and welcome messages. The Wi-Fi connection opens up endless possibilities, including the display of NFT pixel art, making Pixoo-64 a versatile and creative addition to any space. Degrii Smart Thermostat is a cutting-edge solution that effortlessly helps you save energy by providing predictions and tips based on your schedule, reducing heating and cooling costs by up to 27% compared to a hold of 72 degrees Fahrenheit. It uses smart fencing technology, utilizing your phone's GPS to adjust the temperature for optimal energy efficiency and comfort whether you're home or away. The thermostat is compatible with 95% of HVAC systems, and installation is a breeze with the AI wizard on the Degrii app. You can control it through touch, the app, or voice commands with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant. You can say goodbye to uncomfortable hot and cold spots and enjoy a personalized comfort system throughout your home. Experience a smart, energy-saving, and comfortable home with Degrii Smart Thermostat. Introducing Minfao Croc Lights, the lightweight and portable flashlight attachment for shoes, perfect for night outdoor activities such as running, hiking, cycling, and walking. With 3 luminous modes, always bright, flashing, and slow flashing, controlled by a simple one-button switch, these lights provide versatile illumination to meet various environmental needs. Offering ultra-bright beams that reach up to 10 meters and a remarkable battery life of 72 hours, they ensure reliable performance for multiple nights. Additionally, their IPX5 waterproof rating makes them resistant to rainstorms and dew during wild camping. OPLAMP is not your ordinary lamp, it's a masterpiece of creativity. With its innovative foldable design, you can transform it into various shapes, the most charming being a vase. Simply turn on the paper lamp, insert the tube, and add dried flowers to create a stunning vase that emits a soft, enchanting glow. But that's not all. OPLAMP's magnetically connected ends unlock endless possibilities. Shape it like a book, an accordion, or whatever your heart desires to match your preferences. It's not just limited to tables, you can also attach it to the refrigerator as a captivating decoration. With 16 captivating colors to choose from, switching hues is a breeze. Just fold and unfold the lampshade to cycle through the colors or let OPLAMP surprise you by automatically changing colors. Embrace the brilliance of OPLAMP and elevate your ambience with its multifunctional beauty. Pebbleware Flame is not your ordinary lantern, it's a smart lantern that brings magic to your surroundings. With its glow photo-generated colors and breathtaking effects, this lantern creates an enchanting ambience like no other. Designed by an award-winning creator, Pebbleware Flame combines artistry and technology to deliver an experience that will leave you in awe. Illuminate your adventures, whether camping under the stars or enjoying a cozy night at home, with the mesmerizing beauty of Pebbleware Flame. Let its brilliance light up your world. Introducing N-Power, a revolutionary fidget toy meticulously designed to tackle the stress of our high-pressure existence. We set out to craft a tool capable of aiding individuals to decompress, cultivate inner tranquility, and bolster focus. N-Power is our solution, a compact yet potent stress relief aid. N-Power has 2 distinct modes, offering a versatile toolkit for managing stress. What's more, with the supplied conversion kit, you can effortlessly transition between Mode A and Mode B, ensuring that N-Power continually aligns with your evolving daily needs. Compact in size and convenient to carry, N-Power is designed to be within reach whenever stress arises. Its durable and premium quality materials guarantee longevity, providing excellent value for every dollar spent. Thanks for watching. You can buy these products using my links. All the product links are mentioned in the video description. Let's meet with a new video in next time.